Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create Instagram highlights via Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Facebook, as well as a like page and an Instagram account, which is all interlinked together. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio using a shortcut within the Bookmarks tab. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's make sure that we are signed into the account. Now what we will do is go to Content. Wait for that to load and then go to Stories. Now what we will do is click on Brand New. Let's choose a title for the purpose of this tutorial. Let's just say Test. And select a couple of stories that we have posted to IG. We can edit the cover if we need to. Let's just click on the second one and then we can see the cover of that story's highlight. Click on Save Cover. And now let's create the highlight by clicking on Create Highlight. So that's now creating for Instagram via Facebook Creator Studio. So now if I were to, let's just say, open up a brand new tab, then go to Instagram using our bookmarks, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. And now we can see that the test highlight is on screen within our story highlights on Instagram. Click on Test. And there we go. Story 1, Story 2 within that highlight on Instagram for Computer Science Videos. Click on X. Click Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.